Have you ever struggled putting on your socks? We sometimes take a task as simple as this for granted, but if you've ever had trouble bending down for any reason, putting on a pair of socks can be almost impossible. Matic has the solution, the Deluxe Flexible Sock Aid. It's great for anyone who has trouble bending over, a senior who's unsteady on his feet, an athlete who hurt her back, a person who broke his or her leg, someone who's overweight. It's even great for those last few months of pregnancy when the sight of your feet is a distant memory. The Deluxe Flexible Sock Aid has several features that make putting on socks simple. The terrycloth outer covering holds the sock firmly in place, while the nylon inner covering provides a frictionless surface that enables the foot to glide easily into the sock. The long looped handles are easy to hold and ensure there is no need to bend. Using the Deluxe Flexible Sock Aid is simple and easy to understand. Always start in a seated position, hold the sock aid in your hand, pull the sock over the sock aid. Lower the sock to the floor, slip your foot into the sock and pull up. It's as simple as that. I used long socks, but the sock aid will work just as well with shorter socks, ankle socks, and even nylons. I hope you found this information useful. If you would like more information on the Deluxe Flexible Sock Aid or other Matic products, please visit our website at www.matic.com.